Welcome to our updated guide on how to comment with a GIF on Facebook. In this tutorial, we will show you the simple steps to add some fun and expressiveness to your comments using GIFs. To begin, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you are in the app, scroll down your newsfeed to find the post where you wish to leave a GIF comment. When you have located the post, tap on the comment bar below it to start typing your comment. Next, look for the GIF button within the comment bar and tap on it to open the GIF gallery. Within the GIF gallery, use the search bar to find a GIF that best matches the emotion or theme you want to convey. You can enter keywords related to your desired expression to help narrow down the options. Browse through the available GIFs and select the one that resonates with you. Once you have found the perfect GIF, tap on it to insert it into your comment. When you are satisfied with your GIF comment, simply tap the Post button to share it with others. Your GIF will then be added to the comments section, bringing a touch of creativity and fun to your interaction. By following these steps, you can easily enhance your Facebook comments with expressive GIFs, making your interactions more engaging and lively. Have fun exploring the world of GIFs and adding a unique flair to your comments on Facebook.